Arthur Daman was born to German immigrant parents in Chicago. He went to technical school in Chicago, which is what kind of got him down the mining engineer path. He basically left Chicago when he was 20 years old to go to Denver to attend the School of Mines.
He was an artist, inventor, designer, and founder of Denver Equipment Company.
Denver Equipment Company became a premier global mining manufacturing company. He was known as Mr. Denver Equipment.
Arthur Daman was my grandfather.
I know Arthur Daman because he is my grandfather.
I started working for Arthur Daman in 1942. I met him through this associate when I went in and looked for a job coming out of high school. It was very rare that the executive vice president said it was unusual for him to want to talk to anybody that just off the street. That he likes to hire the students from the School of Mines. For that reason, that you will arrange for you to meet him.
Arthur Daman should be inducted into the National Hall of Fame because of his patents and the founding of a wonderful company, Denver Equipment Company.
In my view, a very important person in mining.
Through the innovations that Denver Equipment Company provided to the industry, it significantly changed the financial and the business dynamics of how these mines operated.
He improved the mining industry by unique machinery.
I think he raised the level of professionalism and expertise that mill operators exercised in conducting their business. He published numerous books.
One was the Denver Equipment Handbook, printed in 1954. Second publication was Mineral Processing Flow Sheets.
The Denver Equipment Catalog of 1954 is considered one of the Bibles of the mining industry. The Colorado School of Mines, which is his alma mater and the school that, he was deeply devoted to helping and support, they used that manual in their curriculum.
The other item that carries on is the actual equipment being manufactured today. The product continues and the education continues.
His peers would remember him as a perfectionist, I believe.
The Society of Mining, Metallurgy, and Exploration, SME, they created the Arthur C. Daman Lifetime Achievement Award. I think that's probably the biggest testimony that any miner could have received.
I would say with great respect, was instrumental in the design and manufacturing of pieces of equipment that are used by the industry worldwide. He was a hard-working man.
When I was 14, he gave me 10 shares of Piper Aircraft, and he grabbed the annual report, underlined everything that he felt was important, and I've used that knowledge all my life in my investment philosophy.
He thought about how he could best provide, for his family, their children, their grandchildren. It was important to me because it gave me a sense of independence that I might not otherwise have had. His kindred spirit lives in me, and I believe in all of his descendants.